Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to talk to you about Lexica. That's right, guys. Lexica is the only, as far as I know, search engine for AI art and AI images. And it is fantastic. If you are looking for an idea, either a finished idea, like for example, let me walk you through one. I typed in Plague Doctor and I hit search and it gave me all of these results. Now, I don't know how the heck they created some of these, but if I go through it and I say, hey, this is one that I really, really like, I just click on it and look at that. I can take the prompt and I can either redo it in here. If I liked it as is and I don't want to make any adjustments or any variations, I can just download it. I just got a copy of it. If I open it, I own it. And because all AI art at this time is copyright free, guess what? I've got it. It's off we go. If I want to explore this style and create art in this style, I can go ahead and do that. It's just absolutely crazy. So as a search engine, amazing. As an idea generation or somewhere where you can come up with, looks and ideas and prompts, it's amazing. The other thing you can do here is you can actually go ahead and generate your own stuff too. So if I wanted to generate something like Plague Doctor, I just type it in and I can click generate. Now, that said, I think you only get a little bit of free stuff at the beginning and then you got to go into some of their pricing plans. But as just typing this in, I'm going to get, look, I've got 4 very cool looking, like this one's really cool, right? I can click on that and download it or just right click on it and save image as. Awesome. And if you want to go and purchase stuff and create lots of content, you get up to 1,000 fast generations a month and all this other stuff. You can even go in here and just buy and use directly through Lexica. So guys, in terms of a great place to start looking for ideas and a search engine, Lexica is the best place, hands down. Thanks for watching.